Hello, and welcome to another tutorial video by Swift Sensors. My name is Jason Land, and today I am going to show you how to add a console shortcut to your mobile device. First, let's start with the iPhone. Once on your iPhone, tap on your preferred browser and type in my.swiftsensors.net. And go ahead and log in, and at the bottom tap on the square with an arrow pointing up. Scroll down and tap Add to Home Screen. Then type in Swift Sensors or any other preferred name for this shortcut and tap Add at the top of the screen. So for today we're just going to type in the word demo. Press Add, and once you've tapped Add, the Swift Sensors icon will now show up on your home screen, providing easy access to your account. Next, let's take a look at how to add a shortcut to your Android device. Once again, open your preferred browser and log into your my.swiftsensors.net account. Tap on the ellipses icon on the top right and select Add to Home Screen. You will then be prompted with a window to add name or the URL provided by the console. Tap Add on that window, and then a secondary window will open, asking you to add or cancel. Go ahead and tap Add, and the shortcut will now be displayed on your home screen. For more information, please visit us at www.swiftsensors.com or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.